Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. And good afternoon, everyone. So, in this course entitled Technopreneurship, ang natutunan ko po is ang kahalagaan ng pakikisama, ng teamwork, ng brainstorming, at lalong-lalo na po ang communication. Because we all know that communication is the key for all to be success. Kailangan po lahat ng pagpaplano, lahat ng business models na nakalagay is alam po ng bawat isa para po in times na i-represent natin ang ating ginawa. Alam din po nila at makaka-input po tayong lahat to have a better proposal or output. So this course also helped me to build a teammate. That way we will always be treasured. Kahit na po tapos na yung technopreneur